Hello everybody, this is Dr. Evan Nasser, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sadakatulappa College, Tirunelveli, and today I'm going to explain you all about branch accounting. First of all, let's see the meaning of branch. Very large business concerns, in order to expand its business, they divide the business into many small sections or divisions. These sections or divisions are established in different parts, maybe in same town or it may be in different parts of the country. These divisions are called branches. And here comes the definition of branch. According to Section 29 of Companies Act 1956, a branch is any establishment carrying on either the same or substantially the same activity as that carried on by the head office. There can be no branch without the head office. So, head office is the parent and its offshoots are their branches. Now let me explain you all about branch accounting. Branch accounting is a system of the bookkeeping under which the company maintains separate accounts for each of the operating locations or branches of the company. This branch accounting is followed with the motive of increasing the transparency and knowing the cash flow position and also the financial picture of each such location of working of the company. Now let's see about the objectives of branch account. The first and foremost important objective of maintaining branch account is to know the profit or loss of each branches separately. And the next one is to ascertain the financial position of the branch. And it also helps to know the cash and goods requirements of the branches. And it helps to evaluate the progress and performance of the branch. It helps the head office to give suggestions for the improvement in the working of the various branches. Now let's see about the need for branch accounting. As I said earlier, the basic need for maintaining branch accounting is to ascertain the profit or loss of each branch so that if any of them is not yielding the desired profit, that means a good profit, corrective measures can be taken by the head office. And it helps to ascertain the financial position of each branch separately at the end of the accounting period. It helps to exercise a proper degree of control on operation of the branch. The next need for maintaining branch accounting is to ascertain the requirements of stock and cash for each branch. It also helps to coordinate the operations of various branches and to incorporate the profit and loss made by the branches in the head office final account. And the last need is to fulfill the audit requirement under Section 228 of the Companies Act 1956. Now let's see about the types of branches. There are three types of branches. The first one is the dependent branches, and the second one independent branches, and the third one is foreign branches. And let us see it one by one in the next slide. Okay, now let's see about the dependent branches. These branches depend on the head office for running their business activity, and they are completely directed and controlled by the head office. And they do not maintain books of accounts on their own, and their head office only maintain their full accounts. Here comes the independent branches. These branches are allowed to carry on business as a separate unit and it also functions independently. The accounts are submitted at the end and is incorporated in the books of the head office. The last one is the foreign branch. These branches are located outside the country where the head office is situated. And the foreign branches may operate independently or it may act only as a selling agent. Now let's see about the features of the dependent branches. The first feature is supply of goods. These dependent branches sell goods which are supplied only by their head office and they are not allowed to purchase from outside. The goods are sent by the head office either at the cost price or at the invoice. And next point is about the regular expenses. All the regular expenses of the dependent branches, such as rent, salary, advertisement, etc., are paid only by the head office. Coming to the petty expenses, a separate petty cash account is maintained by the branch manager in order to meet out the petty expenses. And the cash is obtained from the head office for that purpose. The next point is about the basis of sale. As per the instruction from the head office, the dependent branches may sell goods on cash basis or credit basis or on both basis. And the next point is about the deposit of cash. The amount received from cash sales and the cash received from the debtors is either remitted to the head office daily or it may also be deposited in the accounts of the head office. And the last feature is about the memorandum records. The branches maintain only memorandum records such as register of stock, register of debtors, etc. in order to find out the missing figure. Now let's see about the accounting system in respect of the dependent branches. There are four accounting systems. The first one is the data system, the second one stock and data system, the third one is the wholesale branch system, and the last one is the final account system. Thank you for joining us.